So I went ahead and bought the new AirPods Max so that you don't have to. So these are the new AirPods Max. Now Apple has intentionally decided not to call them the AirPods Max 2, although many people are calling them the AirPods Max 2, but if you look at the box, it only says AirPods Max. So these are not the AirPods, the original AirPods. You can tell that the new AirPods because you should see on the box, these are actually USB-C AirPods Max. Okay, so you'll not see AirPods Max 2 on the box. You'll only see the USB-C logo. You can see the logo there and the wording USB-C. That's how you can tell that these are the new AirPods Max. So I went ahead and bought them so I can tell you everything that's new, so that you don't have to go ahead and waste your money, especially if you already have the older AirPods Max. Okay, so let's go ahead with the unboxing experience. So just as usual with Apple products, just pull those and then turn it over and lift the lid. So this is the blue color, and that's what you see when you first open the box. So we have the AirPods. You can see that blue color. Let's first put that to the side, and then inside the box you have nothing but the documentation for the AirPods, and of course a USB-C to USB-C cable. It's a braided cable, just like the one that comes in the new iPhones, and it's obviously a high quality cable. So that's what you get inside the box. Now I'll just put this away. So there's going to be some kind of paper wrapping around the case. I'm not sure I'm doing the correct thing here. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, there you go. And so here are the AirPods Max. We have the what's supposed to be magnetic case. Yeah, it's still magnetic. Still the same ridiculous case. Still the same AirPods. Still the same material all the way around. The same crown. And just to make this video short, because I don't want to waste your time, the only two differences, the only two new things you're getting is new colors and USB-C port. Otherwise, it's the exact same headphones. In fact, if you want a review of these headphones, you can actually go ahead and watch the older reviews from someone like MKBHD. It's the same exact headphones, okay? It's the same materials, the same everything. Okay, so you can see, yeah, same unboxing experience, except for the USB-C to USB-C cable. Okay, so there we are. It's the same exact headphones. Okay, you can take this off, put them back. Everything is exactly the way it was in the original AirPods Max, except for this, the USB-C port. So that's basically it. I'm not really keen on wasting your time trying to make this video long. There's really no difference except the new colors and the USB-C port, and of course the USB-C cable that comes in the box. Otherwise, it's exact same headphones. They sound exactly the same. They work exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips. And I will talk to you in the next video. Good luck.